Are you struggling to get noticed on Amazon? You're not alone. Many sellers face the challenge of standing out among millions of listings. Introducing an Amazon Product Catalog Strategy. This structured approach organizes and optimizes your product listings. It maximizes visibility and drives conversions effortlessly. First, improve visibility with SEO-optimized product listings that rank higher in searches. Second, enhance customer experience by providing clear, accurate descriptions and stunning product images. Lastly, boost conversion rates with compelling product messaging that turns your browsers into buyers. What makes our strategy unique? We emphasize data-driven continuous improvement. By analyzing performance metrics, you can refine your catalog for sustained growth. Ready to take your Amazon sales to the next level? Start implementing an effective product catalog strategy today.